Well, hey, everybody, again, welcome to day 8. Now, I have to preference this. This is during the holiday between Christmas and New Year's. Now, they were forecasting that the volume was going to be low today. And so a lot of traders decided not to trade. But with the sniper system, we wanted to test it, and the results absolutely amazing again. Again, just for disclaimer, guys, again, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This is simulated trading, as you guys will be able to see it. We're not guaranteeing any profits or guaranteeing any losses. We're just basically showing you guys this video is for educational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get down to testing the system on day 8. And guys, again, look at the results. All right, guys, so right here from 1624, remember the market opens up at 1630. You'll notice that you have a red box in control. Remember, if the red box is in control, we're looking for sales. If you look left and the last box is green, you're looking for buys. So anytime we have a red box, any candle pushing under the green line, we're looking for sales. As long as down here in the bottom, the blue line is under the green, and the green line is pointing down, both of them pointing down. That's what we look for. So right here, guys, we're going to go ahead. We're going to fast forward this just a little bit to let you know right now, this is 626 or 1626. So that means we're about 3 minutes away from opening bell. If you guys look right here, this is 28. So now we're going to go to right here. This is 29. If you guys see, this is 29. Look down at the bottom, 1629. And now here's open market. Now I want you guys to notice this. I'm going to slow this down just for a second. So at opening bell right here is 1630. We're looking for sales rather than buys. And see, as this candle starts to push down, we're in for a sale. Look at that. We're looking for 20 plus points. This candle came down, and each one of these lines, guys, between here, these are all 25. So that's 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. Some of these guys are getting in this, holding this trade as that's pushing down, right? So that's down over 150 points already. Now, watch what happens. This next candle, we're still looking for sales. As long as the tip moves over and she starts to push down, you'd be back in there for another sale. And that one went 25, 50, 75, another 100, guys, as it continues to go. You see the candle moving down. Again, this is almost another 200 points right at opening bell. No doubt about it which direction we're supposed to take, because as we look at the system, the last box that you see between the colors of red and green. See, somebody said, well, I see a blue box here. No, we're talking about the difference between a red and green box. These are our directional boxes. The green box, if the last box when you look left is green, that's a buy. The last box when you look left is red. Then from this point, I'm looking for sales. It makes it so simple to trade this system. Two massive trades, guys, right out of the bat. Both of them together, almost 400 points, and we'll keep it going. Did you guys see there how she started to push down? Tip moves over. You guys see that? Once that tip moves over, we're looking for a pullback. As she starts to pull back, we're waiting. Because if we're talking about phase 1, that's a phase 2 buy up. If you were in phase 3, that was a phase 3 buy up. We would have bought that back up. This is phase 1. We see the burgundy box. As this starts to drop back in the direction of the red box, we're selling that again. So right now, we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to talk about phase 1. We're not going to talk about phase 2 or phase 3, but just rest assured, people are eating on this up and they're eating also down. So you notice as that line started to push down with that candle, that went down another 100 plus points. Now we're sitting on the sideline and we're waiting. We're waiting for what? For a burgundy box and the candle to turn what? To turn red on us. If that candle turns red and she's pushing, as long as the green line and the blue line are underneath. Now you notice the blue line is back up top, so this does not qualify as a sell for you in phase 1. So you have to wait until that blue line crosses back down. She has not crossed back down until when? Now. See how when she crosses back down then, and now you're back in that trade. Once you saw that, guys, that went down another 150 points. And you notice here, look how the blue line is touching there. This is pushing. As long as the candle is pushing, You're in there and you're getting points. Guys, this is amazing. Look how phenomenal the system is. And you would have gotten in here again, pushed down another 180 something points. Guys, and remember, here's the key to this. If the green line is under the aqua line, you're primarily in a downtrend. So if you have a red box in control, this is considered a strong, long sale. When you're taking long, strong sales, that's where you can get the highest probability for massive pips. And the system caught it. It called for it. It showed you the edge. And ladies and gentlemen, when you get in and take the edge, is absolutely phenomenal. As you can see here, she just kept pushing down. The system is telling you exactly the highest probability trades to get in. So all the way down. Now I'm looking at a phase one. A phase three. This is a phase three pull back up. So those of you that are in phase three, you would have got this pull back up, which went 25, 50, 75, 100 points back up. Again, we trade both ways when you learn how to trade phase 1, 2, and 3. Right now, for beginners, we're just going to deal with phase 1. So let's say you weren't in phase 3, so you didn't catch any of that. So you're sitting and you're waiting. Watch how miraculous this is. You're waiting, you're watching your candle time. Now, if you look here, what box is still in control? The red box. And this candle, as it starts to push under the green, if the blue comes down, it gives us permission to take the sale. But if this blue stays above the green, we have to sit out and wait. See how when she came down, we got immediately, once this crossed down, we immediately got in the trade for the sale. And look what happened, guys. Just running. This trade right here would have paid another 150 points from when she crossed down. Phenomenal, phenomenal system. And at the end of each candle, the way you trade the system, this is a 1 minute window. So at the end of each candle, we're out of that trade and we're setting up, getting ready for the next trade. We grab our profit. We know what our stop loss is. And we continue to each candle as it gives us an entry to get back in, like this one did. That went down another 125 points. Guys, that's what these guys are doing. They literally today just ate like crazy. They were loving the fact of what they see. You can't make this up. Do you guys see how the blue came under the green and that candle started pushing down? You're back in the trade again, another 100-something points. It was a phenomenal, phenomenal trading day. Now, guys, I'm just going to fast forward this just a little bit just to kind of show you guys what we look at. So as we're fast forwarding this, this was another massive entry back in, another 300 points down. Now we've got the blue line coming above the green. No more sales. We're waiting. No more sales. We wait until the blue line came back underneath, which it did right here. That would have been a nice sale, as you guys saw that. And let's slow it down here because I know it's going a little fast for some of you guys. Once the green box took control, that would have been a brief buy up that went 92 points. Red box back in control. This is a sell down. This current candle moving down was a sell down. You see that? This candle right here is a sell down. You guys see this as you're happening, right? I'm saying it as it's happening right there in front of you guys. So again, we can't make this up. We looked in the first about hour and a half, and there were over 50-something entries, guys, just trading with the boxes alone. That's just phase 1. Again, as you get the system, you'll start learning about phase 2 and phase 3 additional entries that are high probability entries. So just to let you guys know, even though they said the market was going to be slow, the volume was going to be slow, because of the scalping system, we had an opportunity, guys, to take advantage of this. Look at that buy up right in front of you guys. See that? Nice buy up here. Buy up there, went up another 70-something points. Now red box is in control. We're selling. That was a sell down. That was a sell down. Wow, it almost feels like I'm one of those sports commentators. You know, as you start calling play by play, you say, wow, okay, green box is back in control. And look at the buy. Look at the buy from the green box in control. There we go. See how this pushed up right here? That pushed up another 50 points. Green box still in control. And what are we looking for? There it is right there. The buy back up. Tip was at the bottom. Push up right here. Game, push up, push up. You can't. It's almost like she's at the 50, the 70, the 90. You know what I'm saying? This is amazing. And guys, you hear the excitement in my voice is because the system allows so many people, when they're patient and they sit back and say, I'm only going to take buys in the direction of the last green box. Every time the candle pushes up over the green, I'm buying. Again, it pushes over the green, I'm buying. This is all these guys are doing. They're just trading in the direction of the boxes. I mentioned before, it's almost like painting by numbers. That's what this system does. So we want to keep this video short, guys. Absolutely amazing. Day 8, more phenomenal trades. Again, well over, guys, well over 50 entries in the first 2 hours of literally trading this market in what they were saying was going to be a slow volume market, but it's been absolutely phenomenal. Again, everybody, if you want more information about the system, just DM us. Guys, we have a trading room every single day that for educational purposes, we're in there, we're showing people, we're getting in on the trades that we're getting in on. If you like information on coming in on that trading room and being a part of it, guys, DM me. There's a way that you can do that, and people are absolutely loving it. A lot of guests will show up. They'll start getting the additional entries as they see them, the high probability entries. Again, we don't call out any trades for people. We just show them when the system gives an edge, we simply take our trade. And when the edge is identified, guys, our win rate is absolutely phenomenal. So until our next video, guys, it's been day 8, more winning trades, just simply following the system. Until our next video, you guys take care. We'll talk to you soon. Everybody have a great one. Bye for now.